Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best of the best, and today, we're taking a close look at what many consider the best razor for women with sensitive skin. The Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Sensitive Razor Blades with Aloe Strips. Let's get right into it. If you've ever struggled with irritation, razor bumps, or redness after shaving, you know how hard it can be to find a razor that actually works for sensitive skin. That's why this product has been making waves. It's not just another razor blade. It's crafted specifically for women who need an ultra-gentle yet incredibly effective shaving experience. The Venus Extra Smooth Sensitive refills are all about performance without pain. Each cartridge is equipped with 5 diamond-like coated blades. That's right, 5 blades designed to give you an ultra-close shave with every single stroke. These aren't your average blades. They're sharp, finely spaced, and engineered to minimize tug and pull, which is crucial for anyone with delicate skin. But what really sets these refills apart is the lubrication strip. Gillette has infused it with a touch of aloe, which glides effortlessly over the skin. You can feel the difference. It's like a barrier of moisture that cushions your skin as you shave, drastically reducing the chances of irritation. In fact, the brand claims up to 0% irritation, and while results vary by user, it's safe to say that this is one of the smoothest shaves you can get in this category. That means you're not constantly replacing blades, which makes the higher price point more justified over time. You're paying for quality that lasts. And let's talk about compatibility. These refills are designed to fit any Venus razor handle, except for Simply Venus and the Venus for pubic hair and skin versions. So, if you already have a Venus handle at home, chances are you're good to go. That kind of versatility is always a plus. You're getting a pack of 7 refill cartridges. That's several months of silky smooth skin in one single purchase. And because these are part of the Extra Smooth Sensitive line, they're gentle enough to be used on all parts of the body. Legs, underarms, bikini area, without that burning or stinging sensation that lower quality blades can cause. Shipping and import charges may apply depending on your location, especially if you're ordering internationally, like to India. But there are often coupons available, including one for $3 off, and even promotional credit offers if you're buying multiple shaving products at once. If you have sensitive skin, shave regularly, and want to minimize the chance of irritation while getting the closest shave possible, this one's for you. It's simple, effective, and backed by a trusted brand in the shaving space. That wraps up today's product critique. If you're looking for the best razor for sensitive skin, especially one with soothing aloe strips, this Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Sensitive Razor Blade Refill Pack is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns every week. See you in the next video.